So welcome back folks, Happy New Year to everyone. Today we're going to be having a go with this new Husqvarna 120i battery saw. It's got 4 kilos in weight, lightweight, 12-inch bar. I'm not expecting miracles from it, but we'll see how we go. It's Libby's first go with a power saw, so we thought it would do for you, didn't we, Lib? We've got all our safety gear on, so we've got our boots, her trousers and her jacket and her gloves, and she'll have her eye protection, ear protection, helmet and everything else on what, Lib. So we'll go and get set up and see how it goes. We've got 2 power settings. It's full power, and then there's an economy mode. So we've charged the battery up last night, so we're on full charge. We'll go and see how long it'll run for. Okay. In the middle, that's it. That's it. You have, but it's alright, just try and stop a bit earlier. This is just a saw horse we've knocked together. Seems to work quite well, doesn't it? Ready for this one? When you're on time. So keep good hold of it. No, that's it. Have it spinning before you touch your wood. Hang on, look at. One close to the end. So you've got a nice even sized log, haven't you? Yeah, so just have a look, see how our chain oil's doing. We've got, let your finger off that trigger. How much oil have we got in? Oh yeah, we've got plenty of chain oil in. Yeah, okay. So yeah, it's going quite well. We're in sort of 2 to 4 inch wood, cutting through quite easily. What we've been cutting about half an hour now, something like that. How much battery charge have we got left? Is that lit 1 or 2 lights? 1 light. So we'll keep going. I think we should get about an hour out of it. So we'll keep going and see how we go. Okay, let's go. So yeah, it's going well, is that little saw, really? We might find a big piece and see how it shapes in a big piece of timber. How's that one go? Is that faster? Keep good hold of it. So this piece of timber's about 6 inches, probably 6-7 inches. We'll try it out on this. Right, off we go, Lib. That's it. Okay. Have we run out of battery power?
Yeah, it's flashing red.
Okay. So right, we've got a flat battery. We've been running 45 minutes. Yeah, so yeah, we've run steady away for 45 minutes, haven't we? So yeah, it's not a bad little saw. It'll have its place in our business. I could have done a lot of limbing if I'd been up a tree with that. I could have done a lot of limbing in 45 minutes. And it's nice and light. Strap it to your belt, off you go. So yeah, quite a good little saw.